So we did see implied volatility premium. It just went through the roof, which means that the second that the market did open, everyone tried to buy at any all costs. And like I told people, this is something you should have been building for a long period of time on silver based upon classic supply demand fundamentals. You don't want to be the guy who's buying fire insurance while your house is on fire. And that's kind of what we saw this morning. So
there are a lot of driving forces here, and technicals are certainly one of them. Last week, the market stalled exactly at our upside target, 13,550. And then on the lows, take a look at this chart, held the 50-day moving average in a trend line going back to the middle of December. So in the rearview mirror, there's a big level now, 12,897. That's the 100% extension from the February highs last year to those March lows. Out above there, we're calling the NASDAQ in a breakout.
Well, yesterday was very interesting because we saw silver surge and we saw, gold really try to follow along, but the dollar was higher, and the dollar strength really.
A little bit of a headwind.
It held gold back. We're starting to see inflation show up. So actually, in Treasury markets down, yields are higher today. That's also holding gold back. Gold's really not participating in it. I think for silver to really break out above, say, let's call it $31. For silver to break out above $31, that's where this a squeeze would take place. Gold needs to participate, and gold just hasn't.
So the slope with Blue Line Futures coming to you from the Chicago Board of Trade with another episode of Tech Talk. It is Tuesday, February 2nd. Volatility is the name of the game. It was at the end of the year, was in the first month, and I don't think that's going to be much different here in the second month of the year.
Phil Striebel, however, was here about 3 weeks ago, telling us long before the Reddit stuff started that silver was looking prime for a breakout. He's a chief market strategist at Blue Line Futures. So, Phil, first of all, great call. Gave you props on Twitter. Spooky good call, by the way. So walk me through what made you bullish on it. I know a lot of it was technical, and how do you feel about it now after this whippy 48 hours?
Yeah, so we were playing a technical formation. Basically, it had a giant flag pattern, and we were looking for a breakout to the upside. Trading in silver back in like 2011 and 2013, we saw those all-time highs. I could see how fast it's gonna travel.